Hello AppsAPK followers and welcome to another video of 2019. So today we are going to look at the app Opera. Now this is a browser that is similar to Chrome. It's got its own little features, but I'm just going to show you today how you can use Opera. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see on my screen, I have already downloaded the app. So you just want to search up Opera on the Play Store, and once it's finished downloading, you want to click open. Now I'm just gonna go through the simple features that Opera has, so that we can use it to our advantage when we need it. Now once you open Opera, you'll see that this is the main page. So this contains the news of what's going around, etc., in sports, in the gaming industry, etc., and there's also articles as well. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go down to your bottom right and you want to click the Opera icon. Now this is going to pop up and it's got a couple features. So the first one, you have ad blocking. So this prevents ads from popping up, etc., and we don't want that. We've got night mode. So if I click the knob right here, it will actually decrease the brightness of the screen. There's also crypto wallet, etc., but in fact we can go to the settings. Right, so in the browser section there's data savings. So this basically saves data, etc., while you are browsing, kind of like a cookie basically. There's also VPN as well. There's ad blocking, like I said. There is night mode. So if you want to click on night mode, you'll see on the top right hand corner there is a knob. You want to enable that, and that will, like I said, decrease the brightness of the screen. Now there's also a dark theme as well, which is right under the brightness section. If you click that, you'll notice that the browser has gone into a much more darker theme, and it's preferably used at night time. So this is a pretty cool tool if you're trying to decrease the brightness of the phone and how it looks. So let's turn that off. Now for the appearance, you can also change how the format of the browser looks. So for example, if you go to theme, there is two different themes available. So there is light, which is already selected. There is the dark. So if you want to click the dark, it has the same effect as the night mode. And if you go to red, this will also have a little. This will also add a spice to your to the format of the browser, which can spice things up a little bit. Let's go back to the light. Now there's the app layout. So as you can see right now, right at the bottom of the app, you can see the tabs icon, the search icon, and also the Opera icon below here. Now what I can do is I can change it so that it can appear on the top left hand corner. So if you go back to appearance and then you change the app layout to a tablet, you will notice that the format has changed, which means that now the app menu is actually on the top left hand corner. So here you have all these features that appeared on the bottom right hand corner, which is pretty cool. So let's go back, and there's also the toolbars, so you can show the toolbars, you can also hide it, etc. But yeah, let's go back. And now we have crypto wallet. Now this is also a pretty cool feature within Opera. You can receive payments as well as sending payments straight from this app. So you can send it through PayPal, which bank the person you're sending the money to is using. So this is also a good tool as well. There's also the startup. You can also change the language. So if you are more fluent in a different language, you can change that. And there's also default browser, new tabs, etc. Now, when we go to the home page, there will be now. When we go back to the home page, you will notice a couple icons at the top. So Facebook, Google, Instagram, etc. Now, what this app allows us to do is it allows us to increase the size of the icons, and this is also quite good as well. Not really sure about what the benefits are for that, but just to spice the menu up a little bit. So if you press the knob and you go back, you will notice that the icons have increased in size. This is a pretty cool tool as well. I would prefer to use the original just because it shows more apps with a small set of space instead of increasing the size of the icons, which takes up a bit more space than needed. So and then we have the news, notifications, Opera notifications. So the default search engine. So the default search engine is the search engine that you mainly use. So for example, if you use Bing or Yahoo, you can change that, but I personally use Google, so I would keep that like this. Next we have trending searches, recent searches. Now under content, there is also to make the menu run smoother, so there's the text options. You can actually increase the size of the text while you are browsing, which is pretty interesting. There's also the force enable zoom, so you can zoom when needed. You can actually block pop-ups as well, which allows you to use the app smoothly. And then we have the default user agent. Now in downloads, I personally haven't downloaded anything just yet, that's why you see no items. But once you start using the browser and you start downloading certain things such as audio or video, it should pop up right here, and it gives you quick access to the files that you have downloaded. Then there is the privacy, so the site setting, the passwords, and the autofill and payments. So this is a pretty cool tool as well, because it allows you to remember your passwords and different accounts, and it just allows you to use a certain website without you having to repeatedly enter your emails and your password, which is pretty cool. There's cookies, like I said, it remembers the certain actions, the websites that you've gone to, the pages, etc. Down here you can also clear browsing data, so if you want to delete the history of websites that you have gone to and that you have used, this is a pretty cool way. And then there's the help, if you need any help in Opera itself and its features, etc. And there you have it, guys. So if you've liked this little Opera review, please leave a like and do subscribe to keep notified for following videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.